inadequate. What the?
What are you, retarded?
I love when a man treats me right. Smarter than everybody I know.
Let's go clothes shopping sometime, sexy.
Hey, shut your mouth up.
Trifling ass buster.
Carl, what's up? It's your brother.
Hey, what's up, man? You okay?
Not really. I'm stuck in a cell between two lunatics. And people keep trying to jump me. This shit ain't cool, partner. You looking after Kendall?
Nah, she looking after me.
Right. That's cool.
I'ma get you out of there, though, man.
No, you ain't, nigga. Who do you think you are? I'm in for life. I guess I've grown used to it now.
No, you not, man. I'm working shit out. Whatever it takes.
That's a negative. I'm through hoping. Have a nice life, brother.
Hold on, man. I'm getting shit worked out for you. Just hang in there. Sweet. Shit.
Hola, chica.
Hiya, guy.
Ever had too much sex you went blind?
As if.
Goodbye, beautiful.
Check you later, dude.
You look sharp.
Okay, man. Get out of here.
You'll get nowhere in this town.
Hello?
Hey, Carl, my boy.
Mr. Leone.
Everybody's talking about the job you did on that St. Mark's Bistro.
Thank you, Mr. Leone.
And you took care of those 3 loose ends?
Yeah, those poor saps ran into a little trouble along the way. You won't be hearing from Mr. Rosenberg again.
Good boy, good boy. Now listen, you're gonna have to keep a low profile or people will start to make connections. So let's keep our distance for a while, huh? I'll call you.
Thank you, Mr. Leone.
That's a cute outfit, sexy.
Do me a favor, take your shit somewhere else.
Go ahead, be childish and trip.
Greetings, mi amor.
How's it hanging low?
Rusty Brown tastes like dolphin brain.
Yep.
Hello?
Hey, CJ, what's up with you?
Have you ever done
Are we doing this heist or have you gone soft on me again?
Hey, check it. Them fools been shipped out of the Venturas. Salvatore think I'm cool, so it's on. I'll meet you back at the Dragons.
Okay, cool. Later.
Hey, man, nice clothes.
I ain't got time for this.
Oh, and who are you, anyway? What's up, chica? Hey, I'm in love with my dress today. Oh, yeah, it's fab. Have you ever been to La Ventura?
Warm it up, Kane. Warm it up, CJ. Warm it up, Kane.
I put in more work than you.
Hi, darling.
Hi, cutie.
Have you ever drank coffee in your car?
Not that I know.
What the hell are you doing?
Ciao.
Big!
Catalina, is that you again?